All right. Good evening, guys. So today's session will all be about software installation. So, all right. Let me start with the basic things. So hold on. All right. First and foremost, did everyone install IntelliJ? Did everyone install IntelliJ? IntelliJ is very important. So did everyone install IntelliJ? Anyone who has not done IntelliJ? If anyone has not installed IntelliJ, let me know, because this is not a session where you do software installation from scratch. I have already asked you guys to start installing at your end. So we're not going to show you installation of all the softwares in today's session. That's really not possible for all of you. I just want to know if you have done the basic software installation on your machine. So it's been almost a week. I mean, at the starting of the week, I believe I have given you the links. So, okay, Pratap. So I have already shared the details on Google Classroom. If you are already added to Google Classroom, please check it in Google Classroom. So I believe you're already added to Google Classroom. So you can check it on Google Classroom. The list will be available for you on Google Classroom in the classwork section. All right, in the classwork section, you will have it available. All right. Hold on. So in the classwork section, okay, in the classwork tab, you can see software installation. So if you expand this, you will get all the list of softwares and the instructions, which one to download and which one to install, all those details. All right. So you can follow those details and install them on your machine. So first and foremost, I want you guys to confirm if you have installed IntelliJ. IntelliJ. So you should download only the community version, not the ultimate version. Please follow the instructions thoroughly, because later on you wouldn't want any trouble with the softwares that you have installed. So please follow the instructions thoroughly without fail. The instructions are given here for a purpose. So please follow the instructions. So I believe everyone has downloaded and installed. So the installation part is pretty much straightforward. You need not worry about the installation part. It's all present in your, I mean, it's pretty basic. There is nothing special involved. You need not set any variables. You need not set any, you need not do any settings or anything like that. Everything is routine. Okay. So you need not worry about the installation part. So I want you guys to install IntelliJ on priority now. IntelliJ is very, very priority. You must install IntelliJ on all of your machines, because on Monday, I'm going to tell you how to download your notes. I'm going to upload the notes to GitHub. I'm going to give you all access to GitHub also over the weekend. So everything will be shared via GitHub only. Nothing will be shared from Google Classroom or even Slack or even in chat. Everything will be shared from your GitHub only. So yesterday we have already created our GitHub account. So those who have not attended, you can request the video recording from the admin team. The admin team might be able to share it with you. Okay. 16th June video, 16th June video, and also even 15th June video also. 15th June and 16th June videos, where we have created accounts for ourselves on GitHub as well as Jira. We did not learn any concepts the last 2 days. Of course, the last 3 days, we have not learned any concepts. So we have created accounts for ourselves on Jira, created accounts for ourselves on GitHub also. So if those who are attending, if there are people who are attending this session, this course for the first time, ask the admin team for 15th June and 16th June videos, so that you'll have all the instructions clearly available. Okay. So check with the admin team. You will get those video recordings. All right. Only those day video recordings. If you have paid for the video recordings, you'll obviously get the video recordings in full. But in case you've not paid the recordings, maybe you can try asking them for only those 2-day videos. So it is important for you to get the GitHub accounts created for yourselves as well as the Jira accounts. So do not have it ready. Please make sure you follow the video recordings and get it done. If you are absent or if you are new, okay, please get it done. Next thing. I want you guys to install IntelliJ on your machines. I hope everyone has installed IntelliJ. So let me show you. If you have installed IntelliJ, this is how it will look like in your start menu. In the search bar start menu, if you type Intel, it will give you this software. Mine is a little older version. That's all right. You can download any version of the software as long as it is community edition. If you have downloaded Ultimate Edition, please check it. Ultimate Edition is not recommended. Ultimate Edition is a 30-day trial version. Make sure you are not using Ultimate Edition. You are using only Community Edition. Okay, I have given the instructions very specifically here also. Download only community version and not the ultimate version. So I hope everyone has followed the instructions and you have downloaded it. So if you search it in the chat box, you should get it like this. I am going to help you only for IntelliJ and Git. The rest of them are pretty much basic and straightforward. You shouldn't, after going through these installations, you shouldn't say that I don't know, I can't do it. No, that's not the learning spirit, learning attitude. That's not the attitude that a corporate employee should have. A corporate employee should be able to do all of those things by himself or by at least looking on Google. Imagine going to a project tomorrow, and if you are not able to understand something, you're not going to sit there like that saying that this is new to me, I don't know. No, that's not a corporate person's mentality. That's not a tester mentality. All right. You may be slow. You may be extremely slow. Nobody really cares in your corporate environment. You shouldn't even give excuses that my computer is slow. I'm an non-IT background. I'm a little old, or I'm new to corporate. No, your project lead is not going to listen to all of those excuses. I might listen because I'm your trainer. I might listen to those excuses, but in your corporate environment, nobody has time to listen to all of these details. You have to get it done no matter what. నన్ను ఎస్కలేట్ చేసినట్టు కార్పొరేట్లు ఎస్కలేట్ చేస్తే కుదరదు. Okay, you should get things done all by yourselves. That's the spirit, that's the mentality you should have. Okay, your project is not going to wait for you, your lead is not going to wait for you. All right, so how many of you have not? So those who have not attended the sessions, those are attending for the first time, relax. I have given you the details here. I believe you are smart enough to get it installed on your machines. If you have any doubts, let me know, because the installation part is pretty much straightforward, basic stuff. So you should be able to do it. If you are getting any doubts, you can ask me the doubts. And one more thing, those who have joined for the first time, those who are present, those who have joined this class session for the first time, you have a Slack group available. So this is just like your WhatsApp. I will be available on Slack. You can message me on Slack also. The Slack group details are also given in the Google Classroom. You just click on this link, you enter your email address, and you will automatically be added to the Slack group. You need not worry. All right, this is how your Slack interface will look like. You can ask me all of your queries here in the Slack group. All right, so make sure you are joining the Slack group without fail. The Slack group details have been mentioned in the Google Classroom. Because my phone number and my personal details might not be shared with you by the Naresh IT team. So it's not acceptable. So that is why I will be in touch with you in Slack. Okay, this is where you can interact with the rest of the people in the group also, in the class also. All right. So if you have any issues, just type it here and I will try to help you out with a solution. I don't see any discussion by you guys till now, which is perfectly fine. So I already have this group details. We are already active on Slack. So make sure you are messaging me on Slack if you have anything. But again, as I've already told you, don't keep on pinging me. I will be responding only once I am out of my office hours. All right. So make sure you have enough communication with each other and enough communication with me. Again, don't send all the good morning, good evening, good afternoon, happy new year, happy this day, that day wishes. Okay, don't spam the group. All right. So how many of you have not installed IntelliJ? Those are attending for the first time, relax. This is not for you. You already have the instructions, get it done from there. But who have already attended the session but did not do it. రామన్న నీతోనైతే డైలీ ఉంటుంది నాకు. ఇది కష్టం ఇట్లా అయితే. నేను ఒక రోజు 2 రోజులు అయితే నేను హెల్ప్ చేయగలుగుతా కానీ రోజు అయితే నాతో కాదు భయ. ఏమనుకోకు నేను ఇట్లా అంటున్నా అని చెప్పాను కానీ రోజు నేను ఇట్లా ఇంత టైం మీతో ఒక్కడితోనే నేను స్పెండ్ చేయాలంటే కొంచెం కష్టం. మిగతా వాళ్ళకి ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ఏమనుకోకండి నేను ఇట్లా అంటున్నా అని చెప్పాను. కొంచెం కష్టం. అంటే మీరు ఆఫ్లైన్ బ్యాచ్ తీసుకుంటే మీకు కొంచెం హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి లైవ్ లా ఉంటారు మీకు. Rashida, I believe you already attended this session yesterday. I don't think this is your first session. So no problem. Whatever it is, you already have the details available in Google Classroom. Check it out there. You will get it installed. You can get it installed from there. If you have any doubt, post it in Slack group. Whenever I see the details, I'm not saying I'll immediately respond, but whenever I get the notification, I'll immediately try to respond to you and give a solution for you. Don't worry. So how many of you have installed Git? How many of you have not installed Git? How many of you have not installed Git? Not installed Git. If you did not install, only then respond. If you have already installed, relax. You need not worry. You're unable to find community edition. Okay, let me show it to you directly on IntelliJ website only. So this is your IntelliJ website. Scroll down, you will see community edition like this. Radhika, మీది చెప్పాలమ్మా, మీది ఏంటి డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది చెప్పాలి. మీ GitHub యూజర్ నేమ్ and your email ID. So this is where you will find your top. You will have Ultimate Edition. Don't use Ultimate. Download only Community Edition. This is trial version only available for 30 days. After 30 days, it will ask you for money. So don't do it. Use IntelliJ Community Edition. IntelliJ is the most easiest, most beginner friendly interface. It has very easy interface. So that is why I'm asking you to install IntelliJ and not Eclipse. Eclipse is slightly already undi ka talli. Already ఎవరో యాడ్ చేశారు మీది. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ ఉంది already. Not necessary. Removing your details from here. So IntelliJ is very easy to understand. Anyone can use it. Anyone can understand. Not like Eclipse. Eclipse is slightly complicated. You need to have a lot of learning curve. Since most of you are beginners, Eclipse will suck the blood out of you. Okay, you may not be able to understand Eclipse that easily, to be honest. So that is why I don't recommend Eclipse. Link share చేయడం ఏందన్నా? లింక్ షేర్ చేయడం ఏంది? గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో లింక్ ఇచ్చినా కదా, గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూడా లేవా నువ్వు గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూడా లేవా? గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో నువ్వు ఉండడేంది? నేను యాడ్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. నేను రోజు మొత్తుకునేది ఏంది? గొంతు దించుకొని అరుస్తుంది ఏంది? ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనే లాగిన్ కావాలా? మరి ఫోన్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఎట్లా లాగిన్ అవుతావు నువ్వు? ఫోన్లోకి వెళ్ళి లాగిన్ అవ్వద్దు కదా. నేను రోజు గొంతు దించుకొని అరుస్తుంది ఎందుకు మరి? రోజు గంటన్నర గొంతు దించుకొని అరుస్తున్నా నేను. పక్కల కూడా భయపడేటట్టు. ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఉంటేందన్నా, ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఉంటుంది, ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనే రమ్మని చెప్తున్నా నేను మిమ్మల్ని. ల్యాప్టాప్ లో నుంచే రావాలి మీరు. షుడ్ లాగిన్ ఫ్రమ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఓన్లీ. ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఉంటే ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ ఏముంది నాకు అర్థమైతలేదు. రోజు మీరు ల్యాప్టాప్ లోనే కదా లాగిన్ అవుతుంది. మొబైల్లోకి వెళ్ళి లాగిన్ అవ్వద్దు అని చెప్పి నేను 1,00,000 సార్లు చెప్పిన ఇప్పటికి. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ యాక్సెస్ లేదా మీకు? ఇట్లా లింకులు పంపించేటట్టయితే నేను ముందే పంపించేస్తున్నాయి కదా ఒక్కొక్కరికి సపరేట్ గా పర్సనల్ గా లింకులు. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి అన్న, గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి, మీకు అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. మీకు నేను మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ నోట్స్ కూడా పెట్టినా ఇక్కడ, ఎంతవరకు అయిందో అంతవరకు. అది కూడా చూస్తలేరా మీరు? ఇట్లా ఉంటే ఎన్నో ఓపెన్ చేసి చూడాలన్నా, మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయాలి. ఆదిలక్ష్మి గారు ఏమైందమ్మా? No problem. Next. You need not do any changes here. Click on next, 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 next. Finish. Yes. Okay. Whatever buttons you see, accept. Chalo, వెళ్ళిపోవడమే. In the place of create associates, nothing needed. వెళ్ళిపోండి, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. Devesh, is it okay for Git software? I'm not sure which one you are referring to. Okay, screenshot भेजा है आपने. ठीक है, 1 मिनट देखेंगे आपका screenshot. Yes, this is how your Git should look like. Yes, this is how it will look. If you have installed Git, this is how it will look. Again, don't worry if you're not able to open this screen. That's all right. Relax. I'll show you what to do when the time comes. Anyone who is struggling with IntelliJ and Git. See, now don't put the downloading thing in the session. You have been given enough time for 14th June. 14th June అంటే ఎప్పుడమ్మా? 14th June అంటే ఎప్పుడు? ఏనాడైంది? వెనస్డే, బుధవారం. అంటే ఇది 4th డే. Wednesday morning 6:30 AM IST. I have given the details for you. Wednesday morning 6:30 అయింది, Thursday morning 6:30 అయింది, Friday morning 6:30 అయింది, Saturday morning 6:30 అయింది. 24 into 4, 96 hours gone. Don't download now in the session. Relax. After downloading, let's relax. That's all right. You need not do anything. Downloading is done. You are good. Don't worry. You'll have to pick up a little more speed, guys, because this week we have not covered any manual testing concepts at all. This level of proactiveness is not going to help any of you. You're going to regret this later on. All right. Yes, we are moving at a really slow pace. That's all right. This is your first week. I can exempt all of this in the first week. You need some time to adjust. That's completely acceptable, and I'm not even worrying about it. But for those who are worrying that we are going a little slow, the software installation part, the user ID creation part is always going to be a little slower than usual, slower than normal. So don't worry. We are going to gradually pick up speed. All right. So anyone who has not yet completed IntelliJ, I'm asking for the last time. If you have not completed IntelliJ, let me know. If you have started the installation process, relax, no problem. If you get any doubts, I'll be able to help you with this. Whose screenshot is this? Ali, meer enduko idi community version laga anpichatledu naaku idi. I don't feel this as the community version. But again, even if you click send or don't send, whatever it is, no problem. Send or don't send, that is not going to make any difference. Click anything, your wish. After installation, if you are getting it like this, perfect. You have done installation. You are done with your installation. This is what you will get. Perfect. Relax. So can I consider IntelliJ as installed from all of your side? Those who have joined for those are joined for the first day, relax. None of this is related to you. Abdul, what is this about? Is this about IntelliJ or anything else? अच्छा, एक मिनट, स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो, देखेंगे क्या है। स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो, देखेंगे क्या हुआ है आपके मशीन पे। स्क्रीनशॉट भेज के तो दिखाइएगा एक बार। మళ్ళీ సేమ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించారు నాకు, మళ్ళీ సేమ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఇది. You are done, installation is done, perfectly fine. If your installation is done, you need not send me any screenshot, relax. Previous students, नहीं मैं समझा नहीं आपका बात. हाँ किशोर, give me your details. हाँ data sharing page, कुछ भी क्लिक करो, no problem. The data sharing part, you can click whatever you want. If this is what is your concern, you can click don't send or send. Whichever you click, your installation is not going to stop. It will continue with the installation no matter what. That is all right. It's just asking your permission to collect some random statistics. If it is going to crash in the middle of your programming, or if it is taking a lot of time to load, those kind of details. So that's all right. No problem. Dinisha, Malli, same screenshot, Malli. As I've been saying, you click on don't send, you click on send. Anything is all right. It's not going to make any difference. Correct. Git installation is done. Relax. You can relax. dbeaver, you have the link already provided here. If this dbeaver link is not working, I said if the above link is not working, use the following link. So you can use the following link. No problem. Durga, aunamma, your only installation say. Let's close the installations part today. It might take 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, how much ever time it is going to take. I'm going to complete the installations today. I'm not going to entertain installations anymore. So installations should be closed today, this week, at any cost. Anyone? So IntelliJ, can I consider done from all of your side? Is anyone still having any issue? Can I consider IntelliJ as closed? IntelliJ as installed from your end? If anyone is still left, let me know. మరి స్క్రీన్షాట్ ఏం చేయాలి నాకు అర్థం కాలే. స్క్రీన్షాట్ సరిగ్గా తీయలే. This screenshot, I don't know what to do with this screenshot. Send me again. Gajendra, what happened? Correct. Your Git is installed correctly. Don't worry. Git installation is done. Last 2 minutes. Let me know if you guys have completed IntelliJ. If not, please ping in the chat box. Maybe not, Durga. I don't know how much time we have. You are downloading it for the second time, I believe. It says 1 in the bracket. So I guess you are downloading it for the second time. Please check your downloads folder. You must have already downloaded this one. Relax. If it is downloading, let it download, no problem. But you must have already downloaded this one. That is why it's saying bracket 1. So check if you have already downloaded IDL C. If you have already downloaded it, check it in your downloads folder. In your downloads folder, you can see it in the downloads folder. Check it in the downloads folder. If it is already there, start installing it. Start installing it. Acha, okay. Kishore, I have given you access. Share your screen. Kishore, share your screen. I have given you access. Acha, you are using some other device. Acha, okay. Okay, can I consider Git? Sorry, IntelliJ installed everyone? That should be done, I believe. So in the meantime, if anyone's installing Git, install it, no problem. Let it install, let it complete the installation on your machines. Kishore, what happened? Yes, you can click on yes and you can start installing your software. బయటికి వెళ్ళదుందా? Why are you leaving? I mean, నాదొక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్, ఏమనుకోకండి. నాదొక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్. మీది మీ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఒకసారి చెప్తారా నాకు ఒకసారి, ఏమనుకోకండి. Stopping the recording for a while. Hold on. I'm stopping the recording.